Hey everybody, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to yet again another trade review. And in this video I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I was able to catch 150 pips on gold, guys. 150 pips on gold using just supply and demand, and that's it. Supply and demand. Okay, support and resistance. Simple. And hopefully this breakdown helps you guys to potentially replicate the same thing for yourselves. That's the reason why I do these reviews, and let's see how this goes. So we are on the 15-minute time frame, and this is what we saw. This trade was taken yesterday on the 23rd. Okay, just keep that in mind. It's not today, it was yesterday. The time this video comes out, it will be yesterday. Okay, so keep that in mind. So on gold we had a 4-hour demand, and then when we came down to the 15, we had a 30-minute demand. Okay, so we're gonna move to the 30-minute demand and see what we had right here, going up to the 1 hour, so I can just show you guys. Okay, so this is the 1 hour, right? This is the 4-hour demand, and this is the 1 hour demand that we use for this trade. Now, yesterday we were mainly focusing on looking for buys on gold, but first we were at first looking for sells, which was to take it from up here, and price did get up there. However, we didn't get a setup, though. When we came down to the 15-minute time frame, and we had a very good rejection off of this demand that you guys see here. I'm gonna just put it back so you guys can see. It was right here. We had a very nice rejection right here. Okay, this is what we usually would look for in order to take a trade. And right after this rejection, I went down to, as you guys know, the tick chart. And the tick chart is basically where I go to see and find what is the best possible entry for what's happening right now, for the setup that we have on the 15 minutes. So I just mixed the two. Okay, so we go back and we see exactly where I entered here. It was okay, I see it. So we had an entry right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the buy tool, which is right here, and place it where it needs to be. Okay, and our stop loss was 80 pips, so we were risking 80 pips and we managed to catch 150. Our target was 160. I'll show you why we closed. So we were risking 80 pips, which is right there. 80 for the 1-to-1, right? Just get that line, and 1-to-2, right? So this was the trade, and what we were looking for. We got actually triggered at this bullish candle, but this trade, we had very little drawdown in this trade, guys. Very little drawdown. As you guys can see, we had very minor drawdown, and the next candle we went straight up, and next candle we were able to get our 1-to-1, which is basically a 1-to-1 is where we take out 50% of our risk and let the rest run for the 1-to-2. And what happened? Price went straight up, we shot straight up, and we did manage to catch 150 pips instead of 160. And the reason for that is because 5 minutes to the time that we closed was news, right? We had some high impact news coming out, and if you know me, guys, I do not trade news. I trade either after the news or prior to the news. So me knowing that we were approaching the news and we were so close to the news, the moment we got to 150 pips, which was right there, okay, I closed the trade for a full 1.86 risk to reward. So it was as simple as that, guys. Very basic explanation. I hope that is like very clear to you guys. And this was the trade on TradingView. You guys can see it exactly as I just explained. Price came back, we got a very good reaction, got down to the tick chart, look for the best possible entry for this specific setup and take the trade, see where you can put your stop loss. And I don't really worry about the TP, it's the stop loss that's more important, and then your risk to reward. Okay, that's it, guys, for this trade review on how I was able to catch 150 pips on gold. I'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, if these videos are helpful, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if they're helping you, maybe to advance more in your technical analysis or understand more about microstructure. Let me know, guys. Put a comment in the comment section. So subscribe, like, share to anyone else it might help. You never know. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, guys.